Welcome back, Year 4, Lesson 11. Okay, we're going to go for a mental maths test now. So you're going to have 12 questions. I'm going to read each question out twice, and you're going to have around 10 to 15 seconds for each of the questions. Remember, if I move on to a question and you still haven't worked out the answer for the one before, move on with me. All right, that's really important. So grab your pen or pencil, and we're going to start in 10 seconds. So question 1 is write down in figures the number 3006. Write in figures the number 3006. Question 2. What is 8 multiplied by 4? What is 8 multiplied by 4? Question 3. Count on 17 from 54. Count on 17 from 54. Question 4. Add 38 to 24. Add 38 to 24. Question 5. Subtract 21 from 80. Subtract 21 from 80. Question 6. How many minutes are there in 2 hours and 5 minutes? How many minutes are there in 2 hours and 5 minutes? Question 7. Double 86. Double 86. Question 8. Round 384 to the nearest 100. Round 384 to the nearest 100. Question 9. What is the product of 9 and 4? What is the product of 9 and 4? Think about this, because I'm sure that you had a question with the word product in last week. What does it mean? Or I'll say it one last time. What is the product of 9 and 4? Question 10. I'm going to write down 3 numbers, and I want you to tell me which of these is an answer in the 6 times table. So write down which of those is an answer in the 6 times table. Question 11. What is the difference between 90 and 130? Question 11. What is the difference between 90 and 130? And the last one, question 12. You spend £2.40. How much change do you get from a £5 note? So you spend £2.40, and how much change do you get if you pay with a £5 note? Okay, so we're going to go through the answers now in 10 seconds. Okay, question 1. Write in figures the number 3006. You should have got that. Question 2, 8 multiplied by 4. The answer is 32. Question 3, count on 17 from 54. Well, I count on 10 and then I count on 7. So the answer is 71. Question 4, add 38 to 24. I get 62. Question 5, subtract 21 from 80. Well, first of all, I'll subtract the 20 and then I'll subtract the 1. And I'm down to 59. Question 6, how many minutes are there in 2 hours and 5 minutes? Well, in 2 hours, there's 120 minutes. So I just need to add on the 5. So my answer is 125 minutes. Question 7, double 86. I need to double 80 in my head and then I'll double 6 and add the two answers together. I get 172. Question 8, round 384 to the nearest 100. I would round it up to 400. Question 9, what is the product of 9 and 4? Product, remember, is a word that we use in maths to mean multiply. So the product of 9 and 4 is 36. Question 10, I gave you 3 numbers and I asked you which was an answer in the 6 times table. The answer is 36 again. Question 11, what is the difference between 90 and 130? I would have added on 40, so that is the difference. Okay, I've added on 40 to 90 to get up to 130. And the last one, question 12, if you spend £2.40 and you pay with a £5 note, you get £2.60 change. So there are all your answers, year 4. Hopefully you got as many right as possible. Fantastic if you got 12 out of 12. And I look forward to seeing you for lesson 12.